The global AI race is creating a memory boom, and SK Hynix thinks it's only just getting started. The South Korean chipmaker expects the market for high bandwidth memory, or HBM, to grow 30% every year through 2030, turning into a tens of billions of dollars industry. Why? Because AI demand isn't slowing down. Cloud giants like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are pouring billions into infrastructure, and SK Hynix says those investments will only increase. And since AI systems need faster, more efficient memory to process massive datasets, HBM is becoming the critical backbone. Now here's the twist. Unlike older memory chips that could be swapped out like commodities, the next wave of HBM, known as HBM4, is custom-built. Each chip can include a logic layer tailored to a customer's performance needs. That means suppliers like SK Hynix, Samsung, and Micron are locking in much deeper relationships with clients, especially NVIDIA, which currently relies heavily on SK Hynix. SK Hynix believes customization will only expand, moving beyond big players like NVIDIA to a broader base of customers who all want their own performance and power optimizations. That could make HBM one of the stickiest, highest growth areas in the chip industry. Even with short-term concerns about oversupply, SK Hynix's leadership is confident they'll stay competitive. And investors seem to agree. Shares of SK Hynix are already up more than 53% this year, far outpacing the broader Korean market. And while trade tensions loom, with President Trump recently floating the idea of a 100% tariff on chips not made in the US, South Korea's trade envoy said SK Hynix and Samsung won't be hit, thanks to their US plants in Indiana and Texas. AI demand, custom chips, and global trade. SK Hynix is betting those forces will shape a memory market unlike anything we've seen before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts. And if you want to go deeper, watch the related video in the corner right now.